If you use Primavera P6 Store Period Performance feature, you can track actual units and costs to date. Storing period performance records and stores the actuals for the selected financial period, along with the earned value and planned value, so that you can track the previous periods. Also, you can compare the current and future trends. This is a sample project and contains 3 activities with 30 days duration each. We are going to schedule and evaluate the project progress every month. Go to the Admin tab and select Financial Periods. A financial period calendar pop-up. Select our calendar and click Modify button. We can create financial period either automatically or manually in P6. Here I am creating manually. Select the financial period option to every 1 month. Click on Add button. Give start date is project starting month. End date is last date of the corresponding month. After creating first month, simply click on Add button for creating next month. Do the same procedure till our need. Close the tab. Ensure that you have updated your project schedule with the latest progress and that the tasks contain an actual start date. Go to the Edit tab and select User Preferences. Select Application on the left-hand side of the User Preferences. Under Columns, select the ellipsis to view the available financial periods. Ensure that the data date is set to the current reporting period that you will update the schedule with. Next, you want to update the project as per your current data. Here inputting the actual units using the Resources tab located on the bottom half of the Primavera P6 screen. Schedule it. At the top of the Primavera P6 screen, select the Tools tab, and select Store Period Performance. Ensure that the current project is selected, and use the ellipsis to select the correct financial period. Select the Store Now button. You will receive a confirmation box. Select Yes. Notice that the actual this period units have been set to 0 and that the remaining units is updated, so that it sets the schedule for the next update and reporting period. We can also see the financial period at our activity window. Go to Activity column. Select Financial Period. Select our financial period month from the data. Bring planned units and actual units column to the activity window for comparison per month. Similarly, update the project progress for the next month. Go to Store Period Performance tab and store the data for next month. Bring the column for the next financial period to the activity window. There are cases where adjustments must be made to past period performance, and this can be in the form of a negative adjustment or the addition of actuals that were presented late and after the initial updates were made. In this example, we stored too many actual units and we need to make an adjustment to remove units from the task. We want to remove 20 units from the activity. Go to Resource tab and add -20 units in actual this period units. Then go to Store Period Performance tab. Select the financial period where we need to change. Click on Store. Now the data is adjusted and stored to the corresponding financial period. Storing period performance allows the Primavera P6 user to utilize more effective reporting measures and gain a greater understanding of the overall health of the project. Thanks for watching my video. For further more videos, please subscribe my channel.